In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old messages in Slack. If you've ever needed to revisit an earlier conversation, confirm a decision, or pull a specific detail from weeks or months ago, this quick walkthrough will help you get there fast and without frustration. We'll keep it simple and focused, using Slack's global search and a date filter to zero in on exactly what you need. Start by using the global search bar above. This is the search field that runs along the top of your Slack window. It's designed to look across all the channels and direct messages you have access to. Enter any word, phrase, or name you remember from the conversation. Even a small detail, like a project nickname or a file name, can help the search engine pull up the right set of results. Don't worry if you're not precise. You'll refine it in a moment. Next, click on Filters. You'll find the filter controls alongside your search results. Opening filters gives you options that help narrow the scope of what Slack returns, so you don't have to scroll through pages of unrelated messages. The key control we're using today is the date filter. Here, set the date range you want to find the old message. Choose a start and end date that reflect when the conversation likely happened. If you're not sure of the exact day, pick a broader window. Say, the month you know the project kicked off, or the week you remember the meeting took place. The date range tells Slack to focus only on messages sent during that period, which dramatically cuts down on noise and brings older content to the surface. If your first pass returns too many results, tighten the range. If you get too few, widen it slightly. Now click Search, and there you go. Slack will refresh the results using your keywords and the date range you selected. You should see the most relevant messages rise to the top, with timestamps that confirm you're looking in the right time frame. If the results still feel off, adjust your wording or tweak the dates and run the search again. Small changes can make a big difference. That's all. With the global search, filters, and a targeted date range, you can reliably surface older conversations without digging through channels manually. Remember, search only shows content you're permitted to see in your workspace, and being flexible with your keywords and dates will help you land on the exact message you need.